There is a big breaking news update, ladies and gentlemen. This morning, Republic Kannada and the Republic Media Network brought you a news break where Eknath Shinde, the Maharashtra Chief Minister, was heard on record speaking of what he called the Nath operation. It appeared like he was speaking at a rally in Maharashtra where he speaks of a Nath operation. And he says, people ask me, what is a Nath operation? I asked them, what is a Nath operation? He says, Nath operation is an operation done by Eknath, where you break a party and join the ruling government. And he says, people are calling me to Karnataka. People want me to go to Karnataka because they feel that the Karnataka government is going to change. He says after the Lok Sabha elections, there could be some big developments in Karnataka. And after we broke that story, such a big breaking story, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is also responding to this story. D.K. Shivakumar has responded to Eknath Shinde. He says Shinde, in fact, Congress taking the fight back to Shinde, saying that it is actually Shinde who's afraid, saying Shinde is afraid that his own party MLAs will desert him and go back to Uddhav Thackeray faction. That response coming in, let's play that out if it's ready with us.
Maharashtra Sarkara, I am telling on record, Maharashtra Sarkara after this parliament election will lose its strength. All the MLAs of Shiv Sena, original Shiv Sena, NCP will go back. With the Congress again, 3 will be joined and there will be a government again. That is why they are afraid. Maharashtra Sarkara, I am telling on record, Maharashtra Sarkara after this parliament election will lose its strength. All the MLAs of Shiv Sena, original Shiv Sena, NCP will go back. With the Congress again, 3 will be joined and there will be a government again. That is why they are afraid. Maharashtra Sarkara, I am telling on record, Maharashtra Sarkara after this parliament election will lose its strength. All the MLAs of Shiv Sena, original Shiv Sena, NCP will go back. With the Congress again, 3 will be joined and there will be a government again. That is why they are afraid.
Broken the story, and D.K. Shivakumar is responding to it. Very interestingly, Shivangi, Eknath Shinde, the Maharashtra Chief Minister, says, I am going to Karnataka after the elections. It is very interesting. There have been talks for a very long time about a possible operation in Karnataka. When you say operation, it's a political, fishing game where you pull leaders out of Congress and ask them to join the BJP. Now, that's what he's referring to. And he says this Nath operation happened in Maharashtra, and he's referring to his own example where he broke away from Uddhav Thackeray with a huge chunk of the party, went to Guwahati and then became the chief minister. He's also referring to Ajit Pawar breaking away from the NCP and Sharad Pawar and joining the government with Shinde, of course, and Devendra Fadnavis. And to that, you have had the first response from the Karnataka government. That's Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister responding. Okay, we have Eknath Shinde's soundbite from this morning. Can we please play that out? He spoke in Marathi. It appeared like he was speaking at a rally in Maharashtra. Here's what he said.
हा कोण आहे एकनाथ शिंदे? कर्नाटक मध्ये मी आता गेलो होतो सभेला. ते बोले आमच्याकडे पण नाथ ऑपरेशन करायचं आहे. नाथ ऑपरेशन म्हणजे काय? बोले तुम्ही केलं ते एकनाथ शिंदे, एकनाथ म्हणजे नाथ ऑपरेशन. कर्नाटक मध्ये पण आपल्यासारखंच काहीतरी चालू आहे. लोकसभेच्या नंतर तिकडे होईल. ते म्हणाले तुमचा अनुभव आम्हाला कामी येईल. ठीक आहे बोले, येतो मी तिकडे. हा कोण आहे एकनाथ शिंदे? कर्नाटक मध्ये मी आता गेलो होतो सभेला. ते बोले आमच्याकडे पण नाथ ऑपरेशन करायचं आहे. नाथ ऑपरेशन म्हणजे काय? बोले तुम्ही केलं ते एकनाथ शिंदे, एकनाथ म्हणजे नाथ ऑपरेशन. कर्नाटक मध्ये पण आपल्यासारखंच काहीतरी चालू आहे. लोकसभेच्या नंतर तिकडे होईल. ते म्हणाले तुमचा अनुभव आम्हाला कामी येईल. ठीक आहे बोले, येतो मी तिकडे.